Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If perchance this is your afternoon, good morning. If this is your morning, please take your greetings, whatever is suitable to you by your own climb and geographical location. You're welcome to class. This is the Igbo tutor live. This is the time agreed when we need to meet and brainstorm and learn new things in Igbo language. Of course, this session is preserved for members of our channel. So if you are seeing us here perchance, or you have a display that is showing us now perchance, you should know that for you to participate fully in this class, you need to join our channel membership. That is the only thing that will qualify you to be a full participant in this live class. That will enable you to view us, watch us, contribute, and see the live chat and contribute your own quota and learn with us. This is the exclusive preserve of members of this channel. So you do well to join our channel membership if you want to be part of this special class. By the way, we meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time for this special live class. Here, we brainstorm and learn new things in Igbo language, new words, new phrases, new expressions, new ideas. It's a community of learners where we learn and allow others to also learn from us. So you do well to be part of this class. So wherever you are, you're seeing me right now, you're in the right place. You do well to join us as we learn Igbo language together. This is a live class, a live teaching on the go. So if you are not yet a member of this channel, why not? Just hit the join button now below and then become a member of this channel so you can participate fully in this live class. By the way, the class will start fully in few hours time, in few minutes time rather. I think by 3 minutes time, the class will start fully. That is by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. I think that should be 12, right? 1300 GMT. That will be the exact time by your location. But by Nigerian time is 2 p.m. That's the exact time when this class will start fully. So if you are seeing me now and you are not a member of this channel, why not? Click the join button below and join membership and be a part of this class. Herein, you learn new things. We can assure you, you can't come to our live class and go back the same. Never. So you do well to join this live class now. Wherever you are, seeing me right now, you do well to join us so we can learn Igbo language together. Sherry Mango is already in class. Good afternoon. I will join a bit later. Okay, maybe you are busy doing something. Right, Sherry Mango. We expect you to join back soon. Okay, thank you for your notice. I hope others will join quick enough so we don't waste a lot of time. So I'm waiting for you to join up. If you are meant to be in this class, do well to begin to join up now. In a few minutes, we'll start this class fully. So it's better we join early so we don't miss out on any part of it. As you join the class, you do well to drop your greetings to us. Say good morning, say good afternoon, say good evening, depending on your time. By the way, you do that in Igbo language. You say hihioma, just like Kenny Alex has done. Hihioma mazi. That is what I expected. You either say hihioma if this is your afternoon. Perhaps you're in Nigeria or Africa. This should be your afternoon. So it's hihioma. If this is your evening, you say mgbede oma. Mgbede oma. If it's your night, you say abali oma no. You can simply say ndewonu. Well done, everybody. Greetings, everybody. Ndewo. Okay. So Kenya less. I say no to class. Okay. No, Mazi Kenny. Okay. So what are the rest? I'm expecting others to join up now. Kenny is already in class. Okay. Kenny is already in class. I hope others will join as quick as possible so we don't waste much time in this class and we can cover enough. So I'm expecting others to join us now. Sherry Mango has taken permission to rejoin later. That is granted. So I'm waiting for that. This is 2 p.m. exactly by Nigerian time. I expect that other members of this channel will begin to join up now so that we don't waste a lot of time. We want to cover as much as possible. So I expect you to join up quickly. Kenny Alex, please confirm that I'm audible enough. Confirm I'm audible. Do confirm that, Mazi Kenny. Okay, confirm I'm audible enough. Ibidoro. Okay. Okay. Ibidoro tupu n'oge taa. Yes, that's true. That's true. I am the teacher. I need to be in the class before other people. So I need not come late. If the teacher comes late, it's a big problem. If I'm not in class, you have no reason to be there on time. I need to be in class waiting for you to come in. To be bad, you want to join, and I'm not yet live. So I normally join 5 minutes before the time. 5 minutes before the time to get the class ready for everybody. So as you join, please drop your greetings. Let's welcome you to class. Tell us ndewo, no, dalo. Say something to us. Okay, Princess Ezenwa, ndewo. Nwada Princess. Adeze. Okay. Adeze, ndewo. Okay, let me return your greeting to you. Adeze, ndewo. Okay, Princess is here. Kenny is here. Who else is here? Nake is here. Okay. Nake is here. Okay, let me salute Nake. Okay, let me salute Nake. Okay. Welcome to class. Dewo, who else are we waiting for? We don't want to wait too long. We should keep to time. Very important. I'm always here 5 minutes before the time. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. So we can be able to cover much ground. So I'm still waiting. We're going to give them 3 more minutes. By 5 minutes after the hour, 5 minutes grace, the class will start fully. So we still have, it's already 3 minutes after, so I still have 2 minutes more, 2 minutes more of grace. Okay. It's actually Mazi. Okay. Mazi is 1A, but it's pronounced Mazi. It's the A is drawn longer, so it sounds like double A, Mazi. But generally, we spell it as Mazi, M-A-Z-I. Okay. So generally, it is spelled as Mazi, but the pronunciation sounds double A, Mazi. Okay. So we have barely 2 minutes of waiting time. Hope the people we are waiting for will join quickly. One person took permission to join later. That is Sherry Mango. She actually came earlier before everybody, but took permission to rejoin later. So we have 3 people here now that are right on time. We have 1 minute left waiting time. 1 minute more, and this class will start fully. Remember, as you join, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share it if you can. Hit the share button. It might be below the screen or, below the window or above. I don't know the display there. Okay, Omachi is here. Omachi Ndeo. Good. So we have 4 people in the house. Omachi is here. Omachi Dalo. Iro Machuku. Okay. Great one. So you do well to hit the like button just beside my channel name down there. Hit the like button. And then if it's possible to share out so more people can see us live and possibly join us. Okay? So we are starting. This is 5 minutes after the hour. Enough of wait. Okay? Omachi, let's begin the class now. Last time we continued or we began our series on Igbo tone mark and sound recognition and word meaning based on their sound. We began well last week and it went very well. Then we stopped at Anya, that is driving, as we drive a car or other things like that. Can you confirm that that was where we stopped? Please confirm that we stopped at Anya, driving. Can you confirm by saying yes? Is that where we stopped last week? By my record, that is where we stopped. Can you confirm that now that I'm right? We stopped at Anya, driving. Anya, driving. Is that where we stopped truly? Can you confirm that? Yes, Omachi has confirmed that. Great. Only Omachi has done that. I hope others are hearing me clearly. I hope you are hearing me clearly. Yes. Please, as you join this class, indicate you are here by dropping a greeting so that we can recognize your presence. Nedu is here, Dr. Nedu. Dewo, Doc. Yes, if you are in the class, you do well to, greet us so that we can welcome you to class officially. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share out if it's possible. Let's begin. So we are continuing from where we stopped last week. Let's begin. The first word, the first one we are dealing with today is going to be shared now without further delay. So this is what we are looking at first today. Look at it and give me your tone mark. Give us your tone mark. Let me pronounce it. Let me pronounce it. The sound is abo, 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 abo. Give me your tone mark. Give me your tone mark. Quickly, let's do that. Okay, Kenny Alice is in. Yes, more options. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Okay, where is Omachi? Omachi, what did you say? Nake, elu na elu. Omachi, elu na elu. Okay, that is the people we have in the class. Okay, let's mark our scripts. Let's mark our scripts. And I think you guys are really ready for this class. I think so. I think you are ready for this class. Okay. I think you are ready for this class. Right. Let's see. I think you all got it right. By my own marking, everybody seems to be ready for this class. That's good. So I can say that all of you are correct. Let's get down and go to the next one. Okay, let's go to the next one and see what we have. Let's see what we have next. Okay, this is what we have. Let's go. The sound is abo, 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 abo. Let's go. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Yes. Where are the rest? Kenny has dropped. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Princess is in. Omachi is in. Who is remaining there? I know more people have joined the class, but they met the class on, so they don't bother greeting us. So until they give us response, we'll know those who have joined the class. Yes, who else is in the class? Give me your response. Give us your response. We got responses from Omachi. Oh no, Kenny first. They do followed. Princess followed. Then Omachi. Where is Nake? I've not got Nake's response. What tone mark do we have for this? Nake, you are not yet in. What is holding you? Give us your tone mark. Give us your tone mark for this. Are you there? Nake, I want to mark. Where are you? Okay. What did you write? What did you write? I don't know what Nake wrote to WI. What is that? Okay. But it's a typo. Okay, I got your response. I got your response. I know more people are in the class. If you are in the class, please supply your answers because you've not greeted us. I've not picked your name. Give us your response so that we can know you are in the class. I know we have more people in the class. Okay. So the word is abo. Abo. And you give us your tone mark. Many have done that already. Are you still coming in? Or you are not here? Should we supply? We pull it down now. Okay. Let's go to get the answer. Let's get the answer done. Okay. I think you guys are ready for this class. You are not joking at all. Okay. I think your responses are correct. Okay. Elu na ala. You guys are correct. All right. Great one. Great one. Almost everybody got it. Elu na ala. Elu na ala. Elu na ala. Elu na ala. Everybody that responded got it right. So I didn't see any error there. Okay, let's go. Let's pick new, another one. Let's pick another one. Let's pick this one. What do we have next? We have this next. See what we got. The sound is aga, aga, aga. Let's go. Let's go. Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Kenny is leading in this tone mark. He's leading with seriousness. Let me have others. Omachi is in. Omachi is in. Nedu is in. Yes. Where is my princess? Princess is in. Okay. Where is Nake? Where is Nake? Give me a response. Nake is in. Okay. I think these are the people I know that are in the class that I've got their name by their responses. I don't know if more people are in the class, but these are the people I know for now. Okay. That's great effort. Let's pull this down and fetch the answer and see how it goes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go pull up the answer and see what we got. I think only one person did not get it. I think so. Only one person missed it. And that person is Omachi that wrote Elu Neelu. Apart from that, others, everyone that wrote Alanelu got it. Alanelu, that is Kenyales, Nedu, Princess, and then Nake. You all got it right. Alanelu. Okay, that's a great one. Omachi, do your correction. Okay. If you are in the class, please indicate you are in the class. Let's welcome you to class and join what we are doing. Okay. We'll move to the next one. What do we have next? Okay. Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up. What we have next is this. Let's go. The sound is aga, aga. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I will not pronounce it again. No, I pronounced already. I will only pronounce 2 times. So listen attentively. I've done the pronunciation. Let's go. Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Yes. Kenny is on in the forefront. Let me have others file in their responses. Yes. Okay. Nedu is in. Nedu is in. Princess Nake Omachi. Okay. Omachi is in. Omachi is in. Where is Nake? Where is Nake? Who else is in the class who have not identified or greeted us? Princess is in. Somebody is in the class that have not greeted us and he has not answered any question. If you know you are in this class, I'm not mentioning your name. Please drop a greetings or drop a response to the question so that we can pick your name. This is an interactive class, it's a live class. I want to mention you by name. Okay, Clement Temehe, Dewo, that's good. Okay, okay, okay. Say you are in and out, okay. We'll be managing you anyhow. That's fine. Okay, Elune Titi, okay, that's good. Let's go, Mark. Let's go, Mark. Sherry Mango, Sherry Mango, you are here. Maybe you are the one I'm looking for. You are okay. You took permission before. You just came back now. You are welcome back. You actually came first to class and took permission. Good. Okay. Let's go to look for the answer. Even me, I don't remember the answer. Let's go. Let's go pick the answer because I cannot even remember the answer myself. What is the answer? Okay. Let's see. Let's see what it is. It's like I'm already having this. I'll stop sharing. Okay, let's pick the answer. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. I think this one cheated us somehow. Okay, this is the answer. Most of you choose Elunetiti. Aga, aga. I think it's high, high. But majority, virtually all of you chose Elunetiti. Elunetiti. Nobody choose Elunelu. Elunetiti. Elunetiti. I hope you are not copying each other. I hope you are not giraffing. I hope you are not giraffing. You are not copying each other. Why are you all having the same answer? I don't find it funny at all. But anyway, let me assume that you didn't cheat. You're adults. But this is high, high. Aga. Okay. Let's do our corrections. Let's go. Go to the next one. Okay. Let's go to the next word. Yes. We are going. Kenny said my pronunciation is Elunetiti. How is this so? I said aga, aga. Okay, maybe my second A was not pushed longer. Maybe that's what you mean. It's not extended. Aga. You may be right. Maybe I didn't extend it too long. You may be right. But it's that second A, second E is actually high. It's not low. It's not flat. But if you say it's not drawn longer, I can agree with you. I can agree with you on that. Let's see. Let's see what we have next. Let's see what we have next. Okay. This is what we have next. And the sound is azo, 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 azo. Let's go. Let's go. Ngwa, shoot your response. Shoot your response. Okay. Waiting for you. Drop your response now. We have a screen already. We have a word. Drop your response. Let's go. What is holding us? I'm not getting your response. What's happening? What is happening? Can you see the screen? Are you seeing it? I hope you are hearing me. I hope you are not having network glitch. Please, if you are seeing me, I think if you are seeing me, if everything is okay, please indicate. If you are hearing me, say yes. I don't know what is holding you. Okay. Okay, I think there was a network glitch. It was a network glitch. The answers are in here. I can see them. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Nake is in. Cherry Mango is in. Clement is in. Omachi is in. Princess is in. Okay. Kenny is, I think there is a glitch. Yeah, it's a glitch, but thank God he has released the information. Okay, thank God he has released it. Okay, so we got your responses. Let's go to answer because the glitch delayed us more. No, I hope, thank God it's not an election glitch. Let's go to the answer and let's see what we got. What do we have? I think almost all of you are right. Okay, what do we have? Elunala, 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 Etitinala. Sherry Mango said Etitinala. No. Clement Elunala. Omachi Eluna Elu. No. Azo. Azo. Not Azo. Not Azo. Azo. So it's Elunala. Okay. That is for Omachi. Princess Elunala. Correct? Kenny Alex, I think this is a glitch. Yes, it was a glitch. Okay, so let's do our corrections. Let's do our corrections, but it's a good effort for all of us. Good one. Thumbs up to everybody. Omachi, I think you are the only one that need to make corrections, right? Okay, let's go. I think Omachi and Sherry. Okay, not Omachi, Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango is the only one that need to make corrections. Others got it right. Okay, let's go to the next one. And what do we have here? What do we have? This is what we got. Let's go. The sound is azo, azo, azo. Let's go. Let's go. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Nake is in. Sherry Mango is in. Who is remaining? Who is remaining? Clement is in. Great work. Great efforts. Great efforts. Please don't forget to hit the like button for this live class. Don't forget, beside my channel name, don't forget that. And if possible to share, do share. We appreciate that. Thank you for doing that. Okay. Let's pull down and get the answer and see what it has for us. I think virtually all of us got it right. Yes, I think so. I think so. Let's see whether that is true or not. But I think almost all of you got it right. This is what we got. And I think you almost got it right. Everybody, Alanelu. Nedu, Alanelu. Princess, Alanelu. Nake, Alanelu. Cherry Mango, Alanelu. Clement, Alanelu. Great. And it is 100%. Everybody. Nobody missed this. Great one. Great one. Good efforts. Good efforts for everybody. All right. Let's go. Move on to the next slide. And what do we have? What do we have next? What we have is this. Now, I'm not going to pronounce this. I'm not going to pronounce it. I'm going to allow you to put a tone mark. Let's see how many of you that know how to pronounce this word. And pronouncing yourself, put your tone mark. I'm not giving you anything. Kenny Alex have done that. They do have done that. Okay? I'm waiting for others. No pronunciation. Give me your pronunciation yourself. Give me your tone mark. Yes. Let's go. I got 2 responses already. Clement Emehe had done that. Princess had done that. Sherry Mango had done that. Yes. Let's go. Hit, hit, hit. Let's go there. Good trial. Good effort. I love that. That is another level of challenge for all of us. Who else has not replied? Omachi has done that. Okay. Great work. Sherry Mango is in. Omachi is in. Okay, let's go to Mark. Let's go to Mark and see those who passed the test. This is a test, big test, big test. Let's see those who made it, who scaled through. Let's see those who scaled through this test. Okay, here we go. Boom. That's it. How many people made it? Let me start from who answered first. Kenny, you're always answering first. I think so. I think you are the one who answered first here. Okay, it was like Clement Emehe answered first. I think so. No. Kenny or Clement, I don't know which of you. I think two. Clement, Kenny answered first. Alanala. Correct. Nedu, Alanala. Correct. Clement answered third. Alanala. Correct. Princess, Alanelu. Mba. Sherry Mango, Elu Nala. Mba. Omachi, Alanelu. Mba. 3 people got, 3 people failed. Good effort. Good trial. So we have Kenny, Nedu, Clement Emehe that got it right. Princess failed. Sherry Mango failed. Omachi failed. Mark your scripts, please. And the sound is chere, 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 chere. Low, low, chere. Low, low. I hope I'm clear with that. Okay? I shoot it down now. Let's move on to the next one. Okay? Let's go on. This particular word series, I'm not going to pronounce them. I will allow you to do the pronunciation and marking yourself. Not only for this one. Other ones I will pronounce again. But for this series of CHERE, I'm not pronouncing anything. Oh yeah? Pronounce by yourself. Put your mark by yourself. Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Nake is in. Let me see who get it. Princess is in. Who get this one now? Who gets it? Okay, I think I'm going to adopt this system. I'll pronounce after we have all marked. Okay. Sherry Mango is in. Omachi is in. I'm not going to pronounce again. I'll be waiting for you to do. Let's challenge our brain. Challenge our pronunciation. That is the goal for this session, is to challenge our ability to pronounce words correctly and determine the meaning by the sound. Okay, let's mark. Put down, and let's see those who made it. Let's see those who made it. Let's see those who made it. Let's see who and who made it. Share. Oh, we are there. Who made it? Lo Alanelu. Who made it? Alanelu. Whoa. Who answered first? Kenny Alex. Alanelu. Correct. Wow. Kenny, you are superb. Nedu. Alanelu. Correct. Nake elu n'elu. Mba. Chere. Chere. Not chere. 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 That is Alanelu. Nedu. Got it. Kenny. Got it. A princess. Elu na elu. Mba. Sherry mango. Elu na elu. Mba. Omashi. Elu na elu. Mba. How many people got it? 2 people. And that is Kenya Les and Nedu Alanelu. That is the answer. Only 2 people scaled through this time around, among many. Great one. Kenny, Nedu, you are leading the pack now. Okay. Okay. That is Chere, Chere, Chere. I hope I'm clear enough. Okay. So, good one. Good try. Good test for everybody. Okay. Let's go. What is next? After that, we go to another word entirely. And this is what we got. This is what we got. Again, I'm not going to pronounce anything. Pronounce yourself and put your mark yourself. So when you fail, you know you are the one that failed, not me that did not pronounce it well. Oh yeah? Put your mark. Gone. Gone. Put your mark. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Omachi is in. Sherry Mango is in. Nake is in. Yes, who else is coming in? Where is Clement? Where are you? Shoot now before we answer. Supply the answer. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. We want to supply answer now. Okay, Nake is in. Good one. Good one. Good one. Let's see how many people got it. Good one. Many of you refuse to give our live session a thumbs up. That is not fair. Just look down, a channel name, decide, you see a like button, hit the like button. Do us that favor. It doesn't cost you anything to do while you are waiting for our answer. Okay? And also share out if you can share. Thank you for doing that. Right. Let's put this down and mark. Let's put down and mark. Okay. This is what we got. And this is it. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see those who got it. Yes, beginning with Kenny Alex as usual. Kenny Elunala, correct. Nedu, Elu, Nelu, Mba. Nedu, don't fail this one. Omachi, Eluna, Elu, Mba. Ekwe ime ekwe. Princess, Elunala, correct. Princess has scaled through this one. Sherry Mango, Etiti Nala, Nnake, Elunala, correct. How many people made it? Sherry, Kenny, number 1, got it. Who else got it? Princess Ezenwa got it, and Nnake got it. 3 people, not bad, not too bad. 3 people were able to skate through. Others should make their corrections as necessary. Okay, we're making progress. All right. So we go to the next word. Let's go. This is what we got. Let's go there. Let's share it. Let's share what we got now. Okay. Here is it. Let's go. Pronounce by yourself. Give me the tone. Let's go. Give me your own tone for this word. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Yes, let's go. Princess, where are you? Shoot now. Let's go there. Got two responses. Kenya, Les, Nedu. Sherry Mango is in. Sherry Mango is fired up. No doubt about that. Okay, let's go. Let's go there. Princess is in. Great one. Yes. Who else is coming in here now? Who else is coming in here? Yes. Yes. Where is Nake? Nake is not yet in. Emehe is not yet in. Nake is in. Where is Clement Emehe? Where is Clement Emehe? Okay. By the way, the previous one, I didn't pronounce it, which is gone. It sounds Egbe, 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 high, low, Egbe. Okay. Now we've done our responses for this. I'm pulling down now. Anybody still coming in? I'm pulling down now. We're going for our answer. Go for our answer. Okay. Let's go for our answer now. And this is what we got. Let's see those who got it right. Virtually all of you got it right. This is our response. Who got it? Kenya Les, Elu Elu, correct. Nedu Elu Elu, correct. Sherry Mango, Elu Elu, correct. Princess, Elu Elu, correct. Nake, Elu Ne Elu, correct. Virtually all of you got it. And the sound is Egbe, 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 hi hi. Good one. Good one. That's the correct sound. Okay. Let's go to pick another one. Okay. This one will be challenging, I bet you. I bet you the next word will be challenging. Let's see those who can skate through that. Let's see those who skate through this. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Ngwa, shoot. Crawling, 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 baby crawling. Princess Alanala. Oh yeah. Nedu. Okay. Sherry Mango is in. Waiting for others to come in. Good effort. Good effort. I'm still waiting. Who answered first here? I think a princess that answered first, followed by Nedu, followed by Sherry Mango. Yes. I'm waiting for others. What are they doing? They are afraid to supply their answers. Or what is going on with you? Fear I don't catch you. Give us your answer now. Where is Kenya Les? Have you gone on vacation? What is going on with you? Give us your answer. Where are you guys? I got only 3 responses. What are the rest doing? Give us your answer. Quickly, we are waiting for you. I hope there's no network glitch again. I hope there's no glitch again. Let's go. Yes. I got 3 responses. What is holding the rest? I don't know. What is holding the rest? I don't know. I don't know. What is holding you? Could that be network? I can't tell. What is the problem? Please, if you have supplied your answer, let me know. Kenya Les, okay, I think it's network problem. So Kenny is in. Kenny is in. I'm not sure. Of course, I know nobody will be sure of this one. Nobody will be sure. I told you it's going to be challenging for everybody here. Yeah, just give us your answer. Those who have not answered, is it that you don't want to give us any answer? Okay. Nake is in. I think everybody is thinking of the answer. I can understand. I warned you before I send this in out that it's going to be challenging for everybody. Yeah, I said that. Yeah, no doubt about that. Omachi, no idea. Omachi, what's going on? No idea. Sherry Mango has done her own. Do your own too, whether correct or not correct. Just do something. Clement Emehe is off, I guess. Yes. Okay. We're not expecting anybody again, or what is going on? Omachi, you are not giving any answer. Kenny Alex is giving double answer. He say elu na etiti. Come back and say ala na ala. Okay. You should have stick to your answer now. Why are you changing it? I know you are not sure. At least later on we're going to give the answer. So just stay one place. Omachi elu na elu. Okay, that's good. Let's go and mark and see what we have. Hmm. Let's see what we have. I know it's going to be challenging. I said that already. I know for sure that it will be challenging. I know. But let's see the answer we got. Okay. This is our answer. I'm aware of he, you're aware of what? You're aware of Furu. It is low high. Alanelu. Let me see who got it. Alanelu. Nake family. Nake got it. Alanelu. Nake got it. Perfect. Okay. Princess answer first. He say Alanala. No. Nedu say Alanala. No. Sherry Mango. Alanala. No. Kenny, I'm not sure. Nake Alanelu. The only person that got this is Nake. Omachi say Elu Nelu. No. It is Egbe. Egbe. Okay. On Egbe. Igbe. Negbe. Egbe. It is low, high. Egbe. Egbe. Low, high. Alanelu. So only Nake got the answer correct. Only Nake. Thumbs up to him. That's a big one. A big for him. Okay. Let's go to the next word. What do we have next? Okay. Let's see what we got next. We go now to the next one. This is what we got. Let's make an attempt. Just attempt. Let's try. Sharing. He is sharing. He is sharing it. He is sharing it. He is sharing. She's sharing her toy. Sharing. He's sharing the property. Sharing the money. Let's go. Nedu is the one that answered first. What did you say? I got you. Nedu is in first. What do you people say? Let's go. Ngwan, let's go. Let's go. Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango has come in. Nedu is in first, followed by Sherry Mango. Nake is in. Yes. Oh, I'm waiting for the rest of you. It appears some people are afraid now. They are not shooting fast again. They are thinking. It's good. It's good for you. I want you to think. Omachi. Hmm? I like that. Now we are getting different answers. Now that I'm not pronouncing, that's good for you. So we now know who is who. Let's go. Let's go. It's good I'm not pronouncing again. Let's test our ability to pronounce it and give it the right tone mark. I got only 3 answers. Who answered this first? I think it's Nedu that answered first, followed by Nedu has even deleted his response. He has come back again. He's serious. Nedu has changed his mind. No be small matter. Let's go. So I have Sherry Mango first, followed by Inake, followed by Omachi, followed by Nedu. Yes. Nobody else is answering this question. Where is Princess? Where is Kenny Alice? Where are you guys? Okay, Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Where is Princess? It don't happen, no. The real test is here. Let's go. Let's go there. Shoot it now. Princess, I'm waiting for you. Don't disappoint me. Oh, yeah, let's go. Kenny Alice, how many answers are you giving us now? How many? Kenny Alice, you are in trouble. I was thinking you are the one leading the class. Now you are confused. You are giving answer, withdrawing answer, giving answer, changing. It is where. Okay. All right. It's the serious, not be small. I like the challenge. Okay. Okay, let me mark now. But I've not gotten Princess says anyone's response. I'm waiting for you, Princess. Give me your answer before I give you final answer. Give me your answer. Where is Princess? Have you disappeared or you are still here? Princess Ezenwa, give me your answer. Whether right or wrong, I need it. Where are you now? Give your response. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. I hope you're not having network glitch. Okay, pull down. Maybe you are not ready. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. I think few people got it. 1 or 2 people got it right. Yes. I think 1 or 2 people got it right. Yes. I'm sure 1 or 2 people got it right. Let me look at those who got it right. Sherry Mango came in first. Elu na elu mba. Nnake elu na elu mba. Omachi ala na ala mba. Nedu elu na ala. Correct. Kenny Alex ala na ala. Only 1 person got it. And that is Dr. Nedu. Dr. Nedu is the winner. Elu na ala. Eke. Eke. Ọ na-eke ego. Ọ na-eke akụ ya. Ọ na-eke akwụkwọ. Eke. High, low. Eke. High, low. Ngwanụ, o ruo n'omume. It don't happen. Make your corrections. Mark your script. I did not even see Princess Ezenwa again. She had disappeared completely from the radar. Hey, that was serious. So, gịnị na-eme? Wetin dey happen? Okay, let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. It's getting interesting. Let's see. Maybe this one will be a little bit relief to many of you. I think so. This will be a relief to many of you. Okay. Let's share this. Let's share this. This is what I have. Kenny said, I thought Elu Nala is what? Great. Yes, create is the same sound as share. Eke is the same sound. Oneke, ego. Oneke, ego. Oneke, owa. You know, both create and share have the same sound. Kenny Alice. They have the same sound. So you are not wrong. Okay. This is what we have. I know many of you will answer this one easily. Princess Ezenwa has appeared again. Before I thought she had disappeared from the radar. Now easy one has come and she appeared quickly. Ezenwa, oh. we threw you off balance. Okay, so we have Kenny Alex is in, Nedu is in, Princess is in, Sherry Mango is in. Okay. Anybody still coming in? Where is Nake? Where is Omachi? Supply your answers quickly. Supply your answers quickly. Those of you who have not hit the like button below, beside my channel name, I go fight you now. Okay, let's go. Sherry Mango is in. Who else is answering this question? I got only 4 responses. Where are the rest? Kenny is in. Nedu, Princess, Sherry Mango. Where is Nake? Where is Omachi? And the rest? Where are they? Let's go. Supply your answer now. Supply your answer now. Omachi is in. Omachi is in. Emehe, where are you? Where is Nake? Where are you? Give us your answer. I want to mark now. I want to mark now. Waiting for the Nake family. Okay, I'm pulling down now. I want to mark the script. I want to mark the script now. Let me see those who got it. A sizable number of you got it right. Yes. I know you find it easy. I know. This is what we have. How many people got it? Kenny, Elu ne Elu, correct. Nedu, Elu ne Elu, correct. Princess, Elu ne Elu, correct. Sherry Mango, Alana Ala, Mbao, nothing like that. Omachi, Elu ne Elu, correct. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. What is happening? I hope people are not running away. They are afraid of, they are getting confused. Are they running away from the class or what? I don't get it. All right. This is the real test. Yeah. What is the meaning of? Oh, that. Oh, I want to get your question. I want to get your question, Kenny. What is the meaning of okay? Okay. We're going to get to that. Are you talking about rat? Is that rat you're talking about? Kenny Alice, is that what you mean? Are you asking about rat? I think we have that word here. We're going to get to that. We'll get to that if that is what you mean. Okay? We'll get to that. But let's deal with what we have here now. This is high, high. How many people got it? Almost everybody, except one person. And the word is AK high, high. AK high, high. So virtually everybody got it right. Only one person failed it, which is Sherry Mango. Okay, let's put it down and go get the next one. What's the next one we have here? Let's go. What is the next one? What is the next one? Sorry. Okay. This is the next word we have. And this is what we get. A market day. in Igbo land? Give me the tone. The market day in Igbo land. Kenny, we're going to get to that thing you are asking. We're going to get to it. Because there are so many words that are associated with that. So be patient. Let's deal with the one on the screen now. Let's deal with the one. Okay. Kenny has given his answer. Kenny, is the answer for the one on the screen? Okay, you have given your answer now. You have given your answer now. Yes. Nedu is also in. Sherry Mango is in. Who else is giving the answer for the word on the screen? Princess is in. Princess is in. Good one. Where is Nake? Where is Nake? Where is Nake? Clement Emehe, where are you? Omachi, okay. That's a good one. Omachi, good effort. Good effort. Good effort. So I had how many answers? Kenny, Nedu, Sherry, Princess, Omachi. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Okay, let's put down a mark. Let's mark the script. Let's mark the scripts. Let's mark the scripts. Okay, let's mark the script. And this is what we got. Let's see how many people that got it. Kenny wrote Alanelu, correct. Nedu Alanelu, correct. Sherry Mango, Alanala, Mba. Princess Alanelu, correct. Omachi Alanala, Mba is Alanelu, low, high. Eke, 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 low, high. That is the word. Please do your corrections. Let's the next word. Let's go to the next word. Do your corrections. Okay. Do your corrections. So, this is what we have next. This is a word. Let's go. Mark. Now. Let's mark. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do your marking. Give it your toad mark with the right pronunciation. Sherry Mango is in. Sherry Mango is in. Kenny is in. Yes. Who is coming in again? Sherry Mango is in. Kenny is in. Nedu is in. Nedu is in. Where's Princess? Where is Omachi? Where is Nake? Where are you? Waiting for you guys. Come in now with your answer. Yes. Waiting for you. Supply your answer now. Supply your answer now. What is holding you? Give us your response. Okay, Nedu. Okay, Nedu, you are changing your mind. Okay. Okay. Nedu, if you are changing your mind, cancel the first one. Let's know that one is off. Cancel your first response. Nedu. Delete it. We can't have two. So we know the one you are choosing. Okay, good. Sherry, Omachi is in. Where is Princess? Is there one? Where is your response? Not yet in. Not yet in. Not yet in. I want to mark. Sherry Mango is one that answered this one first. Okay, let's go. Let's put down and mark. Music. 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 What is that? What is music? Okay. I think few people got it right. Few people got it right. This is what we have. Let me check. Okay. Cherry Mango was the one that answered first. I think so. She wrote Elu Nala. No. Kenny, Elu Nelu, correct. Nedu, Elu Nelu, correct. Omachi, Elu Netiti, Mba. Princess, Elu Nala, Mba. It's Elu Nelu, Egu, 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 not Egu. That is Elu Nala. We're going to get to that. Okay. Let's stop sharing. Let's pick the next one in this category. Let's pick the next one in this category. And this is what we got. This is what we have in this category. We've got share it now. See that. What is that? What do we have on the screen? What do we have? Kenny Alice has given his answer. Sherry Mango has given her answer. The do is in. The do is in. Where are the rest? The do is in. 3 people have come in. Princess, Omachi, Nake, Emehe. Where are you guys? Where are you? Yes. Kenny is in, Cherry Mango, and Dr. Nedu. Where are the rest? I'm waiting for the rest to come in. Supply your answer now. Yes. Supply your answer. Are you still there? Are we having network challenge? I hope we are not having network issue there. Any another glitch again? Another glitch? No response coming in. What is the issue? I got only 3 responses. The rest are not in. I think it could be network challenge. Should I go ahead to mark? Maybe their response will come in later. It could be network problem. Let me go ahead to mark. It could be network problem. We don't want that to hold us down. So let's mark. Let's mark. This is what we got. How many people got it right? Yeah. Kenny Alice Elunala, correct. Sherry Mango Elunala, correct. Nedu Elunala, correct. Those of you who answered got it very perfectly well. I don't know what happened to the rest, whether it's network or they don't have idea. Please, if you don't have idea, it's better you say, I don't know it, than to keep quiet. You know, instead of keeping us waiting, it's better you say, I don't have idea. So we don't need to wait for you. We can move on. We're going to do the next, and that should be the last for today in this category. Yes. And this is what we have. This is what we have. Okay. This should be the last for today. What do we have? What do we have on the board, on the screen? Give it your toad mark. Digging. He is digging. Hmm? Digging. Give it your toad mark. Kenny is in. Oh, Nedu. Nedu. I believe your answer is for the one on the screen now. Is that? Cherry Mango is in. Yes. Any other response? Waiting for you. Kenny is in. Any other person with supplying answer? Any other person supplying answer? I want to believe all of you have got your book for the month. You have gotten it. You have downloaded your book for the month. If you have downloaded your book for the month, please say yes. Indicate by saying yes. So, I think one person made request for a change and they have been given. Oh, Joy did not come to class today, unfortunately. Oh yeah, she took permission that she will be at work. I remember. If you have gotten your book for the month, say yes. If you don't know how to get it, indicate you don't know how to get it. You'll be assisted. Okay? If you know you have gotten your book for the month, you've gotten it downloaded, please type yes. If you have not gotten your book and you don't know how to get it, say, I don't know how to get my book. Type it now so that you'll be assisted. You are entitled to free ebook every month. One free ebook every month. If you've got your own, say, I've got mine. If you have not, say, I've not. Or if you don't know how to get it, say, I don't know how. Please do that now as you're running up. They do say, I have not, but I will download after the class. Good. Means you know how to get it. Good. Okay. Any other person? The book for the month is actually talking about the same thing we are doing now. If you have the book and you go through it, that will strengthen your understanding of what we are doing here. In fact, you perform far better when you come to class. So the book has to do with what we are doing here exactly. Kenny, let's say I've gotten my own. Good one. Good one. Kenny, I've asked you, you are talking about the audio not working. I asked you to confirm if the audio is okay, but before you download the audio, make sure you are online because the audio, you can access it when you are online. And it will ask you to log into your Google account to be able to access it. But if you have done that, you can't get the audio downloaded, let me know. I will send the audio privately to you as a new file. Okay? Good. So let's answer this question, which is the last for today. I ask this question again. If you know you have got your book for the month, indicate you have got your book downloaded. If you have not, let us know. If you don't know how to do it, if you don't know how to download your book for the month, say, I don't know how to get my book. Let us give you assistance. Very important. Otherwise, you want to dash us the book, no problem. If you don't need it, no problem. But you will not say you are not giving. Okay? So let's pull this down and get the answer, which is the final for today. Okay. This is what we got. Let's see. This is what we have. How many people got it right? How much you say I haven't? How much you already know how to get the book, right? I believe you know how to get the book downloaded. I believe so. The same channel membership through which you join the Telegram group. Go back to it. You will see free ebook and audio book for the month. You see a link under it. Click on that link to download your book. Okay? So how many people got this? Okay. Who answered this first? I think it's Sherry Mango. Okay, Nedu answer first. Alana ala. It's Alanelu. Sherry Mango. Titi no. Kenny Alana ala. Mba. Egu. Egu. On egu ala. Egu. 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 Low high. Elu na ala. Mba. Nake. Egu. 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 Elu na ala. Mba. So it is ala na elu. Somebody wrote ala na ala. So nobody actually got this one. Okay. Nobody got it. Yes, I know. I'm downloading it now. That is Omachi. Very good. Okay. So I believe I'm not owing anybody. Those who have not gotten their book, maybe it's your choice not to get it, but I'm keeping to my promise to give out free ebook every month. You have your book if you want, except you don't want them. Please do us a favor. If you think we are doing well, you want to support, please tell a friend about this. Ask somebody to subscribe, join our membership. If you bring in somebody, let us know you brought somebody. There's something we're going to give or do for you for that. We appreciate all your support and your patronage. We keep learning together, keep pushing each other. I want to believe we've learned one or two things in today's class. If that is true, can you give this class a thumbs up as we round up? Give us a thumbs up if you think we've done well today. If you think you have learned something today from this class, can you give this class a thumbs up? And you think you are gaining or getting value for your membership of this channel, please give us a thumbs up. If you think so, give us a thumbs up as we round up. Do that now as we round up this class. Okay, Sherry Mango, Dalono. Thank you, Sherry Mango. We appreciate. Chuku Goziegi. What about the rest? Kenny, thank you very much. We appreciate your support, your patronage, your learning with us, your believing in us. We appreciate all of you guys. God bless you all. Chukwu gọzie gị ka anyị hụ n'izu ụka ọzọ. We will see next week. Ka emesịa.